Learning target 2 and 3 asks us to classify real numbers as whole numbers, integers, or rational numbers. So, and then we're supposed to also list them in order from least to greatest. We'll do that in the next learning target though. Let's start by making a table of values. 3, -5, -2.4, and 1, or should say a classification chart. We've got whole, we've got integer, and we've got rational. Rational just means we can write it as a fraction. An integer is like our counting line numbers, including the negatives. Whole numbers are just 0 and the positives. So if we take a look here and we classify, we've got 3. It is rational. We could write it as a fraction, 3 over 1. It is an integer. It's a counting line number. And whole, since it's positive, it's also whole. -5 over 1, I could write it as a fraction, so it's rational. It's also an integer, but it's not whole because it's negative. -2.4, that's -2 and 4/10. Hey, I said it as a fraction, so it's rational. But fractional pieces are never integers or whole numbers. And then 1, I could write as a fraction, 1 over 1. It is a counting line number, integer. And since it's positive, it'll be a whole.